chef and chefettes. Guys, we are jumping right into these ingredients, and you already know what we're making. But if you didn't read the title, let me tell you, we're making some jerk fried chicken wings. You're like, what? Yes, jerk fried chicken wings, and it's gonna be simple, easy, and delicious. So make sure you stay in tune with us to make sure you know how to do this recipe. You're gonna need 2 tablespoons of some jerk seasoning, some flour, salt and black pepper, and some chicken wings. That's it. Easy peasy, right? So stay tuned.
Guys,
shut your stupid ass up.
What? Oh.
Our favorite jerk seasoning is Walker's Wood.
Oh, yeah.
Just in case you guys cared.
Yes, but if you guys could use any other brand if you like, but that is our favorite. Thanks, Chef Trini. So, guys, stay tuned to see what we do with all these ingredients.
Chefs and chefettes, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, the first thing we did was we washed our chicken wings with some lemon. Or was it lime?
It was lime.
I always get those two confused. It was the yellow one.
Oh, that's lemon.
Ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am. No ma'am.
So we washed our chicken wings with the yellow one and a little bit of vinegar.
No! No!
Then we patted it dry, we rinsed it off, and now it's time to season it. Guys, this recipe is so simple. We take our 2 tablespoons of our Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. Pinch of salt, not too much. You know we don't want high cholesterol. Pinch of salt. I should have put on gloves because this jerk seasoning is hot.
Imagine you rub your eye.
I know. Guys, when you're seasoning with jerk and spicy stuff, get some gloves, but I'm going right in. I'm a professional. So come in close. Let me show you. And I'm going to season it. Guys, don't be scared. You got to get in there. You got to get this all in every single chicken wing.
Look at that.
So I'm going to season these wings up real good, and I'm going to show you the next step.
All right, chef and chefettes, it is time to flour our chicken wings. We're gonna take some salt, add it to our flour, just a little bit. Some black pepper, add it to the flour. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna take our wings. I'm gonna show you a couple of them.
No, 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 no. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Just like that, look at that. Make sure you get every nook and cranny. We wanna make sure that this chicken wing is nice and covered. Then we're gonna place it on our rack. Let's do another one. Oh yeah. Once we put it on the rack, guys, we're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. Why? Because we want the flour to absorb. Look at that. You see how it's coated on both sides? I'm gonna do that to the rest of these wings, and then I'm gonna show you what to do next.
All right, chefs and chefettes, I hope you subscribe. Our chicken wings sat for about 5 to 10 minutes so the flour can get absorbed into each piece, and our oil's heated up, and we infused our hot oil with garlic to give it a nice rich flavor. So let's take our first wing and put it in. Guys, you hear that? Guys, and when you're frying chicken, don't crowd the pan. Because when you crowd the pan, it's not going to cook properly. So just do a few pieces at a time without overcrowding. I'm going to probably do 4 at a time. Ooh. I'm going to cook it for about maybe 10 minutes each side. Well, 8 to 10 minutes. As long as it's nice and golden brown, and then I'm going to flip it. So guys, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for these cooked, delicious chicken wings. All right, chefs and chefettes, our jerk fried chicken wings are almost done. So let's create a nice dipping sauce with some more jerk seasoning and a little barbecue sauce. This is going to be a dipping sauce you can dip in, you can pour it over your wings, whatever you prefer. So I took a teaspoon of jerk seasoning and a little bit of barbecue sauce, and we mix it up, and now we have this nice, delicious jerk barbecue sauce. Look at that.
All right, chef and chefettes, our jerk fried chicken is done. Chef Trini's gonna pour on the sauce. Watch it. Look at that. Look how amazing. That looks so delicious. We're gonna devour this. We're gonna dive right into this. That's it, guys. Make these wings. Make it! And that's it. And we are out.